Dear struggling marketer, today is your lucky day, and that's simply because you've been chosen by Lord Jesus to watch this 5-minute short video as your life is about to be changed forever. Imagine if, in minutes from now, you could get access to a revolutionary, brand new AI app that creates ultra-stunning, 3D animated colorful AI doodle and sketch videos with simple text prompts in any niche and language in under 60 seconds, and lets you sell these high-in-demand videos on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa while earning you $200, $500 per video on complete autopilot. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity. Look, with the rapid growth and advancement in technology, there has been a massive surge in demand for AI doodle and sketch videos. As most of the YouTubers, video explainers, tutors, and social media influencers are heavily relying on these tools for better engagement and views. Hence, the need for colorful AI doodle and sketch videos keeps on increasing with no signs of slowing down. And to your surprise, this 3D AI doodle and sketch industry is not just thriving, it's exploding in growth like never before. Here are some facts. This AI doodle and sketch video industry is worth $27 billion in Jan and is projected to reach $57 billion by 2027. More than 12,000 doodle and sketch videos are created daily. Doodle and character videos converts 40% more than normal videos. An average internet marketer sees an income growth of 57% using colorful AI doodle and sketch videos. And an average AI doodle video seller on Fiverr earns at least $10,000 plus per month. Hence, there is no doubt why creating and selling AI doodle and sketch videos is the hottest business opportunity right now. And seeing this huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of the AI doodle and sketch video industry, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, the world of 3D animated doodle and sketch video creation is not easy at all. It comes at a premium price and hard work. Creating doodle videos from scratch requires lots of video editing skills, technical knowledge, and buying an expensive monthly video creation app could easily cost $397 monthly. And hiring expensive doodle video creators and freelancers could easily cost you $10,000s of dollars, leaving your wallet empty. But what if there was a better way, where you can easily create, customize, and sell 3D animated doodle and sketch videos in any niche and language without spending a single dime? Introducing AI Doodle, world's first AI app that turns your simple voice prompts into ultra-stunning, 3D animated colorful AI doodle and sketch videos in any niche and language in under 60 seconds. And that's not all. Here's where it gets even better. It even sells these high-in-demand videos on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa while earning you $200, $500 per video daily. Finally, this groundbreaking 2024 AI lets you create stunning animated AI doodle and sketch videos using simple text prompts. No video designing skills required. Effortlessly build and sell world-class AI character videos in endless niches and any language you desire. Create and sell unlimited AI explainer videos to YouTubers and tutors for maximum profits. Add unlimited voiceovers in any languages on your videos. Choose from our done-for-you 1,000 plus stunning AI doodle and sketch video templates. Pick from over 10,000 plus DFY stunning 3D characters for your videos. Turn any boring image into stunning AI sketch videos. Choose from our done-for-you 100s of intro and outro videos. Select from 250 plus stylish fonts and text styles. Select your perfect fit from 500 plus done-for-you stunning video theme templates. One-click AI content generation. Instantly create and add jaw-dropping AI-generated images, videos, music, and more to your videos. Built-in 5 million plus AI video stock library lets you search and discover your desired content in the blink of an eye. And the best part, You can get all this done in under 60 seconds, just with your simple text prompts. Finally, this next-gen futuristic AI software lets you say goodbye to the hassle of creating stunning Doodle and sketch videos on your own. Say goodbye to the expensive third-party video builder platforms and freelancers. Well, now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary 2024 3D AI Doodle and sketch video builder app while driving automated sales and traffic on complete autopilot. Look, AI Doodle AI is a brand new game-changing software that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Give text prompt. Just tell AI what you want, and it will start creating your desired doodle or sketch video as per your style and demand. Step 2. Customize. Effortlessly customize your video with drag-and-drop builder. Step 3. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand AI doodle and sketch videos on Fiverr and Upwork while earning $200 $500 on complete autopilot. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you create, customize, and sell AI doodle and sketch videos in any niche and language in under 60 seconds? There isn't. So, what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to AI Doodle just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below to get a copy of AI Doodle at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.